Verbio at the South Bend ethanol plant manufactures ethanol for fuel. I answer a lot of questions. I do a lot of sampling. If I get tired of sitting at a computer, I get up and I go out and get my hands and boots dirty in the plant.
What I like most about my job here at Steel Warehouse is the everyday challenges. It keeps me learning. My goal is to learn something new every day. It doesn't ever get boring.
I'm the production manager here at North American Signs. We're kind of an overall branding company in general, so we help portray their brand how they want to. You got to be someone that's willing to come out here, put on some gloves, do some welding, do some assembly, things like that.
Here at EBS, we do mainly just ambulance seating. We did a seat for the St. Louis Children's Hospital. They put it in this really customized unit for the kids. Seeing your product actually in action, it makes you feel whole.
As manufacturing supervisor, I oversee the daily activities of production and assembly. I also oversee 5 team leads as well. What I like most about my job is the fact that I am helping someone every day.
People think you're just standing in one spot, you do one job all day. There's a bunch of different avenues that you can climb and grow from.
There's a lot of benefit to exploring manufacturing. The sky's the limit of what you can do.